started coming here, I was not sure where I'm going or anything. I just read autobiography of a yogi. But coming here, getting into Kriya, understanding what it is all about, it was like, it was like Harry Potter for me, Hogwarts. It's a world which no one knows, and we're just going into it. And it was like, wow, where was this world? Why were we not aware of it before? And as soon as we got into the vibration, into the teachings of Masters, Swamiji, and all the teachers over here, things started changing. We started understanding, not changing anything, but understanding our own selves, and then taking care of situations and lives. Like we have to do what we have to do in the life. There are work, there are family, there are many things. But when the practices and the blessings of Master are there, it all changes. It all becomes so smooth, and you just have a trust that somebody is there. Somebody is there to help you out. So that was it all about. Thank you.
मैं यहाँ पर इसलिए आता हूँ क्योंकि दिस इज़ माई होम. I'm really enjoying life. I am better in all aspects. Life, I'm enjoying more, happily living in my life, working. I'm becoming in all aspects a good human being. Like the example is that in all affairs I'm shining and shining and shining. So why I'm coming here?
I am associated with Ananda from last 1 year, and it's a beautiful experience. My journey has been great, I would say, because I could feel a difference from last 1 year within myself. So whatever my difficulties and everything, I feel that I am trying to overcome that, and I feel I am more joyful. So that is the best thing, and I feel that freedom within myself, which I always wanted to be. So thanks to Ananda and Kriya Yoga, which is actually helping me.
Autobiography for yogis changed my life. It changed my thinking about gurus. It changed my whole thinking about the purpose of life. And having come to Ananda, I have discovered the meaning of what a spiritual family is. I have my own beautiful family. I've got children, I've got parents, I've got everything. And but I just discovered how uplifting and beautiful a spiritual family can be. Getting together here, I've been with Ananda for practically since the beginning, so that's about 13-14 years. And I've been a devotee of Yogananda's, having read the book in 1904. And it's
Ananda about 7 years back. I was looking for peace at that time because I was too stressed with work and various family responsibilities and stuff like that. So looking for peace, and I happened to contact Ananda, and I attended the classes. And as I progressed, I gained a lot, in terms of, if you look at, there was many treasures, and to name a few, I would say that, first, of course, in terms of the stress, I calmed down, I became very less stressful. Then, at my workplace, I suddenly found myself that, I was getting better at my job, very frankly, very honestly. Because I'm a chartered accountant, I deal with a lot of complexity. You suddenly find that my decision making had improved. And in fact, I had to, control myself that I should not become too proud about, my abilities. And I think probably that was because, I calmed down. Then apart from that, physically also I started feeling that I am more energetic. So I could see the difference. It's immediate. It's not that something that you have to, wait for long. Spiritual progress happens slowly, attitudes change slowly, but some of the immediate benefits are these. You start feeling, better at work. You are physically much better off. Then emotionally I got control. And Ashish and I used to joke that on roads we stop fighting.
Okay, that's great.
If somebody crosses your path, you're not so, you don't get overwhelmed. It's okay. You smile and you let him, maybe he's in a hurry. So you start looking at things in different light and you just calm down. So, I can go on and on. It's been a wonderful journey, and I feel so blessed that I landed at this place. So, 7 years down the line, I'm really grateful to Swamiji, to Dhyanaji for, coming to Gurgaon and helping all of us.